So that is something that's a little different about FPG, right? We talk and share a lot of tools and strategies with the team, a lot of tactics, but we also focus on that mindset component. I wonder if you would just talk a little bit specifically about that leash concept and how you've seen the team be able to move more sales forward because they are able to let go of some leashes.
Yeah, we all have leashes that hold us back on various aspects of our life, I suppose. And FPG's been able to kind of conceptualize this for a way so we can acknowledge them and practice. And it's almost like a feeling you get in your body, I think, that you know when you're doing it and you can release them. And it's particularly important now in 2020 in an environment where, you know, in our context, the economy's floundering a bit with the pandemic conditions overlaid on top of it. So, you know, we're constantly refining ourselves, and what's got us to a point in time, maybe 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 6 years ago, aren't necessarily the things that are going to take us forward. And we've been trying to reframe our discussion through the guidance of FPG from what's maintained our business to what do we want to start, stop, do faster to sustain a new level of business. So in dropping some of the leashes, that third I talked about of the team all started moving up together. And, you know, I think the net effect of that, when, you know, 2 years ago, we had about 340 sales and 4% market share. And after using these techniques for about a year and a half, we've moved that to doubling of our market share to 8%. We had 475 sales, and we were number one in sales. So, you know, huge results. And every piston needs to be firing to get that. So it was a great accomplishment on the team's part.